Hello there and welcome back to the channel. Today's video will be very informative and interesting because we will discuss the Holochain cryptocurrency and everything you should know about it. So make sure you don't miss any of the video segments. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. Most importantly, please note that this video does not contain investment advice or recommendations. Every investment and trading move involves risk and investors should conduct their own research when making a decision. So without further ado, let's get started. Holochain is an open source framework that allows you to create fully distributed peer-to-peer applications. Holochain apps are more adaptable, resilient, and scalable than blockchain, and they are thousands of times more efficient. No tokens or mining required. Holochain's goal is to enable humans to interact with one another through mutual consent to a shared set of rules, without relying on any authority to dictate or unilaterally change those rules. Peer-to-peer interaction implies that you own and control your data, with no intermediary, such as Google, Facebook, or Uber, collecting, selling, or losing it. Data ownership also opens up new avenues for user agency, allowing you to do more with your data. Imagine a truly personal AI, whose purpose is to serve you rather than the corporation that created it. Composable and customizable applications become possible when the user is at the center. Blockchains convert everything into tokens, whereas currencies are optional in Holochain, where issuance occurs through peer actions, such as ratings or double entry accounting. The most frequently asked query is how can you make use of Holochain? Holochain can be used to create a variety of distributed apps. The applications can be designed for a variety of purposes. The network, for example, is used for social media apps, governance, and organization. Let's take a look at some of the apps you can make with Holochain technology, which include collaborative apps, platform-related apps, social media apps, relationship management apps, supply chain-oriented apps, resource management apps, reputation systems, and much more. Because of its broad application, Holochain technology is a viable alternative to Ethereum, which is also a DApp platform. It is not the only distributed ledger technology, DLT, alternative available. We also discussed Hashgraph, which provides a viable alternative DLT solution to blockchain. We will then move ahead to what makes Holo so special. Holo is distinct in its architecture because the Holochain platform does not use traditional blockchain technology, but rather a hashing algorithm as a post-blockchain network. Holo, which uses traditional distributed ledger technology, allows users to host and use various apps known as apps on the network. As a result, no staking or mining is required to operate and run the nodes in Holo. Holo distinguishes itself not only through the use of the DHT hashing function, but also through its architecture, which creates a P2P market in which users can be compensated for hosting applications developed by other users and deployed to the Holochain app. Alright, the next segment is how many Holo hot coins are in use. Holo has a total supply of approximately 177.6 billion hot coins, with 177,619,433,541 already in circulation. The market capitalization of Holo is equal to the total number of coins in circulation multiplied by the current price of hot. The market cap ranks Holo in relation to its crypto peers and also determines Holo's market share. After that, the most important part is how secure is the Holo network. The distributed hash table is used to secure the Holo network, ensuring that an individual node can first verify transactions and participate in block generation before having this data verified by the rest of the network's nodes. Holo distributes transaction data to nodes tasked with double-checking the data after individual nodes have verified it initially. The neighbor nodes ensure that the data is valid and transparent, adding a layer of security while maintaining network transparency. Holochain is built with DHT at its core, resulting in a post-blockchain network that can scale and secure the platform without the use of protocols like proof of work and proof of stake. Even if one node acts maliciously and validates a false transaction, the rest of the nodes will detect the malicious activity when double-checking data, which is how the Holo network is secured. Now let's discuss the best possible usage of Holo. The Holo ecosystem serves as a peer-to-peer market for application hosting and serves as a link between the Holochain app, where applications are hosted, and the internet, with the goal of making the internet more focused on people rather than corporations. Hot coins can be used as the network's primary payment method, and network participants who use Holo to rent computational power to other users for hosting apps can earn hot in exchange for their services. Hot coins can be held as an investment or traded for a profit in the cryptocurrency market. At the time of its launch, HOT was designed to be an IU redeemable for the Holo Fuel token. Holo Fuel is intended for micropayments and will be used to compensate hosts. Once Holo Fuel is available, HOT can be swapped for it in a 1-to-1 ratio, with the swapped HOT serving as a reserve currency to provide liquidity to Holo Fuel holders. The next part is about how to select a Holo wallet. There are numerous options for storing your HOT, and the type of wallet you select will most likely be determined by what you intend to use it for and how much you need to store. Hardware wallets, also known as cold wallets, such as the Ledger or Trezor, offer the most secure option for storing cryptocurrencies, as well as offline storage and backup. They do, however, necessitate more technical knowledge and are a more expensive option. As a result, for more experienced users, they may be better suited to storing larger amounts of HOT. Software wallets are another option that is both free and simple to use. They can be custodial or non-custodial and can be downloaded as smartphone or desktop apps. The service provider manages and backs up your private keys when you use custodial wallets. Non-custodial wallets store private keys on your device using secure elements. While they are more convenient, they are less secure than hardware wallets and may be better suited to smaller amounts of HOT or more novice users. Online wallets, also known as web wallets, are free and simple to use and can be accessed from a variety of devices via a web browser. However, they are considered hot wallets and may be less secure than hardware or software alternatives. You should choose a reputable service with a proven track record in security and custody, because you will almost certainly rely on the platform to manage your hot dot. As a result, they are best suited for holding smaller amounts of cryptocurrency or making frequent trades. Cryptomap provides a secure storage solution, allowing you to easily store and trade your HOT tokens. When you store your HOT with Cryptomap, you get enterprise-grade security and user-friendly functionality. When you use our secure platform as your storage solution, you can buy and sell HOT in seconds, or trade it for any other cryptocurrency. To sum up the whole discussion, Holo is a one-of-a-kind project in the cryptocurrency market because it uses a specific hashing algorithm rather than DLT to facilitate the conditions for a P2P market. It provides cloud storage for app hosting, which is how Holo's value is defined, through its unique technical approach and scalability. Because hosting apps with Holo is more cost-effective and efficient, Holo has the potential to become one of the leading platforms of its time in the long run. So what are you waiting for? Begin your Holo journey today and join the crypto revolution. Also, it is important to note that the views presented in this video are not meant to serve as investment advice. Rather, they are offered solely for educational reasons. Because of the inherent element of risk in all trading and investments, you should always conduct enough research before making any choices. If you enjoyed the video, please share your thoughts in the comments section below. And if this is your first visit to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for taking the time to view this video. See you in the next video. Until then, best of luck!